As some of you might already know, so many of the stocks in the stock market are trading far below their all-time high, which is basically due to the high inflation rate that we are seeing in the world, and also the Russia and Ukraine tensions, which is creating another impact into some of these stocks. But as I always have been saying on most of my videos, these low trading prices that we are seeing in most of the stocks offers opportunity to investors. These low trading prices, I personally believe, like to a person like me, when some of you are busy probably panicking and selling some of your good stocks, some of the investors just know out there are accumulating. I believe that this is a time where instead of you panicking, you ought to be accumulating most of these good quality stocks. Now, with all that, there is a stock here in South Africa that today and I will be buying, and of course I'll share with you, of course, or I'll take a sneak peek after I buy this stock. And the reason why I'll be buying this stock today is because this stock, guys, it's trading way below their all-time high. I mean, it's trading 60% below their all-time high, which is something that is truly amazing. And I believe that it ought to motivate you to go in and probably load the boat on this stock. And of course, this stock is not just a penny stock or a large cap stock. It's a mega cap stock here in South Africa. And of course, some of you might already know this stock, and of course it goes by the name of Naspers. Now, Naspers, you'll know by now that this is a multinational holding company with headquarters in Cape Town. Now, this is a stock that, of course, I think I've only discussed this stock once on this channel, but ladies and gents, I had never bought this stock or this company, and today will be the very first day I buy this Naspers stock. And of course, a reason being, of course, it's trading far below its all-time high, and also because this is a stock that if you have to go and check or have a look at their latest financial or annual results, you'll notice that this is a company that is just doing so well. This is a company that when you compare their results or 2021 annual results against their 2020 annual results, you will definitely see and agree why it is a bargain to go in and buy or load the boat on this company Naspers. I mean, yesterday this stock closed trading around 1,634 rands per share, and it has a 52-week low of around 1,627 with a 52-week high of over 3,700 rands. I mean, of course, this just has to show you that this is a company that right now trade, like I said, looking on where it's currently trading at, which is around 1,634 from that all-time high of 30,756 rands. You can agree, or you and I can agree, that this is a stock that is quite bargain. Now, you'll notice that this stock currently has a market cap of around 711 billion rands as of yesterday, which is something that is truly amazing, and something that must just show you that this is quite a big and massive company, which is why I think it is a good thing, or it is good that you probably go in and probably look into this company, because like I said, this is a multinational holding company. The fact that it is a multinational, it's something that must seriously encourage you to probably go and look into this company. And one of the things that I also like about this company is because it's simply because it's a venture capitalist also, which means that they also target small businesses or small companies with a good future potential, which is something that must truly, or something that is truly amazing. And it also aligns with my kind of an investing strategy or style. As you already know, that me personally, when I invest in stocks for high returns, my target is to aim high returns on the stocks which I buy, which, knowing that this is also a venture capitalist firm, it's something that aligns with my investing strategy, which makes them to even like them more. Now, this company, ladies and gents, of course, I was introduced to this company by one of my friends. I think I should mention Mpo, who indicated, or who has been telling me that have a look at that company. I think by then it was trading around 3,500 rands per share, which I just thought that probably at that time it was quite high, and I'm happy that, or probably he'll, wherever he is, he'll probably be happy that finally today I'm going in out. I will be buying this company, which by the way is the one that sort of like introduced me to it. Now this is a company that, like I said, I'll be buying today, and after my purchase I'll definitely give you, or probably take a sneak peek, not showing the shares that I bought of course, but just showing that this is a company, or I bought this company today. Now this is a company that is doing quite well. As you can see on the screen, that this company currently has a return on equity of over 58% with a return on assets of over 10%, which is something that is truly amazing, and it has to show you that this is a company which is just doing very well. Now, as you already know, or as I've just told you at the beginning of this video, to say that this is a company, or part of the reason why I like this company is because of their 2021 annual results. Well, on those results, what really attracted me was when I saw that they reported, or for their 2021 financial or annual results, they reported a $29.6 billion of total revenues, which is something that is truly amazing. And this, ladies and gents, was 32% up year over year, which is something that is truly amazing, because like I said, this is total revenue generated, or total revenue generation is something that as an investor you should monitor. If it continues to be better than the total revenue the company generates when looking or comparing to their previous year, this ought to be taken as a very good sign to say that this is a company that is doing quite well. Now, going to their headline earnings, you will notice that they reported at $3.5 billion of total headline earnings, which is something that is truly amazing. And again, this was 21% increase year over year, or when we compare to the headline earnings they reported in 2020, which is something that must motivate you to probably look into this company, because like I said, this is a company that is doing quite well, which is the exact same thing that is motivating me to probably go in and load the boat on this company right now. Now this company, guys, if you have to go and have a look, of course, into their peers, or into the company that is in their peers, you'll notice that it has got a lower PE ratio comparing to the average companies in its industry, which is something that is truly amazing, because as seen on the screen, you'll notice that this company yesterday, when the market closed, it had a PE ratio of around 11.56, which if you have to go and have a look, as seen on the screen, on the peers or on the companies in its industry, you'll notice that it is below most of the average companies, or it is below the most average companies in its industry, which is something that is truly amazing, and must probably tell you that right now naspers is currently undervalued. Now this is something that I believe it ought to motivate you to probably go in and look into this naspers stock. Yes, I know that it's a bit pricey, but this is a company which is just said to do very well. And instead of you probably focusing on the hype or buying hype stocks which probably are now surging in terms of share price or rising in terms of share price, I think that you also have to probably look at the opportunities in companies like naspers, because these are companies with great value and fundamentals are strong, and they are set to do very well. This is a company that, ladies and gents, I believe that if you are to probably go in and load the boat, or go in and do your own due diligence and put some money into this stock, you might see some good returns in the future, which is why I'll probably, or I will be definitely adding this stock to my portfolio today. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you a heads up of what I'll be doing, or of this new company naspers which I'll be adding to my portfolio. And if you think this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And like I always say in all of my videos, before you load the boat or before you buy this stock, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.